Exam anxiety. Exam anxiety is like this whole type of exam. Why? Okay, how many of you as teachers realizes that the exam is actually not for the student, it's actually for us? Do you realize that? How many of you realize? Have I reached to the last venture of my class? Have I been able to successfully deliver my learning goals? Have I been able to execute my lesson plans the way I did? I wrote it in the register and gave it to the teacher. Did I do all the activities? Because I have a multiple sensory kind of a classroom which I want to establish. Have I been able to do it? Have I been able to reach to that person who is not listening to me, but when I had showed her the slides, she understood the concept. And when the other child who was not even listening or not even looking, but when we did the activity related to the child, related to that topic, and he immediately grabbed the concept. So have we done enough efforts? So I always say, the result is not of the child. Believe me, it's not for the child. It's for us. Those tests are conducted. The main intention is to conduct that whether we have been able to successfully impart the knowledge, what we were supposed to do as teachers. Right? You agree? Yes. Everyone? Each one of you? So this again changes the lens towards the child. The child is not doing enough efforts. That's what we tell the parents. Or you are not making an effort. Or we never say that, oh my God, I found one teacher of my daughter. She was a maths teacher. And then I usually never used to take my children, to the details because I always feel that it's like degrading the child in front of your parent. Like, okay, now today is my day, and I'm going to really, pull up everything. But my daughter insisted that she wanted to go, so she went. And that teacher was so beautifully, she was like, Bacha, where am I falling short? Why am I not able to teach to this? Why are you not able to grab this? Can you come to me on the next time? I am available in this room after this class. I'm sure you're not able to understand. I mean, that was the only time in 5th grade that she scored 100 on 100. And never after this and never before this, she was always a very average 60-70%. But that teacher made so much of difference because she took an interest. And she was like, she has the potential, but why she's not reaching the potential? Of course, the rest was that she was so motivated, that the teacher was so motivated, why shouldn't I go 500%? So she put in her 100%. The teacher was coordinated there and there. Okay, give her this concept you have not understood, come here and I will explain it to you. Because you have to, we also have to see that this is something, this result shows that I have not been able to teach the child the way the child had to learn, right? Not everyone is like, it's not about really, we are not testing the memory of the child, we are testing our skills. Whether we have been able to impart the logical skills to the child, whether we have been able to linguistic skills, impart the linguistic skills to the child. Right? So not everything is about just the memory and just about the hard work of the child. It's about us. So let's take the responsibility, learn to take the responsibility.